Yo, what's up guys? It's me again, Angelo Nightcrawler, and welcome again to another gameplay na naman tayo. So maglalaro tayo ngayon ng tinatawag nilang House Flippers. So anong meron dito sa larong to? So gagawin natin ang lahat para maging maayos at malinis ang isang bahay. So tayo ang magiging taga-ayos, parang gano'n na. So ano meron dito? So you're starting your own business. Great. Mali ang aking bigkas. Great. Our corporation has been going well. So now I want to help you as I already have experience. We still have a few more small jobs ahead of us before you go on your own. Let's get going. So, siya si Robert. Okay, Robert. What do you admire? So, yes. What a nice graphics. Nice graphics. Nice graphics. Okay. Oh. Napakabilis. So, mayroon pa ba dyan? Okay, wala. Nice. So, walk around the house. Look for the goals of the task. You'll find more information on the bottom of the screen. Okay. Tap to continue, Robert. Okay, nice. Our task is bathroom. So bathroom muna. Take out the trash. Okay, let's go. Where's the bathroom? Wait. Where's the bathroom? Where's the bathroom? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So dito tayo sa baba. You should probably there. Okay. Tap to continue. Oh my goodness. Saan ka na? Okay? Ang gagalaw dyan. So, Ewe. Is this there? Oh, nice. Nice kitchen, my boy. Nice kitchen, my boy. What do you have here? A can of good water. Oh my goodness. Good water, pero soft drinks. Hindi yata maganda yan. So, may Starbucks ka pa dyan, no? Nagkape ng Starbucks. Merong isang pizza. So, hindi ko gusto yung ginagawa mo. And fries. Okay, nice kitchen by the way. Nice kitchen. Nice kitchen. Oh my goodness. I like the kitchen. So, pero hindi tayo dyan muna. Sa CR tayo. Comfort room. Comfort room. So, ito tayo outside. Outside. Let me touch it. I said, let me touch it. Let me touch it. Some tasks will only apply to the item selected by the customer. I know. When you're in the right room, you'll quickly see what needs to be done. It's type light in orange. Color orange. Okay. Shut up, Robert. I know what I'm doing. So this is probably an Xbox. Nice Xbox by the way. Oh my goodness. Wow. Good setup. You have a printer. Oh no. It's not a printer. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Crook. Dito ang CR. Oh. Now I know what I'm trying to do. Pick it up. Oh, nice. Dito ka dito. Yan. Oh, di ba? Nice. Okay, ito ka. Diyan ka. Nice. Okay, this painting. So, probably tansyahan nila natin. Dito! Screw. Okay. I don't like it there. So, dito sa boundary. Nice. Okay, pantay siya. So, let's check our task again. So, bedroom. Set highlighted items. Okay, good. Nice. Alam nyo, hirap sa controllers. Hindi ko siya nagagalaw ng maayos. Pati pintuan. Ito ang CR, di ba? So, kailangan ko pa itutok sa pintuan. Iyon. Dito na tayo sa CR. So, first thing first is nice. So, let's check our task again. Tapos na. Clean windows. So, next is clean windows. Nice. So, what windows do we have to unlock it here? No. Okay. So, windows. So, itong windows, di ba? How should we clean the windows? By the way, saan yung windows na yan? So, ito. Clean the windows? Hindi naman siya yung klase ng nalilinis na window. Hindi ata ito siguro. Hindi ito. Okay. Probably this here. Okay. Okay, start cleaning. Pick. Okay, cleaning windows. It's going to be easier. Slide your finger across the screen until the glass is shiny clean. Okay, Robert. Here ya. So, we pingmine, ching piu pu. Pingmine, ching piu piu. 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 Wow. Nicely done. Okay, next is clean windows. Bathroom. Mayroon pala dun. Okay, so unahin na natin yung trash. Trash it. Nice. So, ang natitira na lang is meron pa rin. Ito. Nice. Okay, tingnan natin muna. Okay, clean. Okay, tatapos na tayo. Okay, clean windows. Start cleaning. Go. Okay, cleaning windows is so... Guys, napakaganda ng graphics niya. Napakaganda yung graphics. Nice. It's kind of like 3D talaga. Wow! Thank you very much, Robert. Nicely done. $1,000. Nakangilid ako. Dapat dito pala ako, no? Ako sa gitna. Ayan. So, teka, ibanda ko lang dito. Okay. Nicely done. Hindi ko na kailangan check yan. The map will allow you to clean the various kinds of dirt and remove cobwebs. Use it to make the room shine again. Okay, Robert. Tap the clean is Okay. Nicely done. Nicely done. Okay. Next is nicely done. Nicely done. Nicely done. Wala na, wala na. Ito sa baba, wala na. So, tap to open the door. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, open doors. Ano ba? Wala tayong trabaho, magmamap lang tayo, boy. Okay, so siguro ito. Okay, hindi. Painting lang yan. Masyado ka namang kung ano. Okay. Tap, open the door. Let's check this. Tap, open the door. Ay, siya, bakit? Ayaw. Ito. Pick. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. So, hands. Hands is night. Okay, doors. So, let me ayusin natin doors. So, what kind of door ang ating kailangan? Nope. Nope. Marami pa tayong imamap. Seryoso? Pati lamesa minamap? Okay. Lagay, laro lang naman to. Continue. Thank you very much, Robert. Okay, let me check here. Corridor. Replace highlight items. Okay. Teka nga. Okay. Saan yun? Ha? Saan yun? Corridor. Ayan. Here you are. Highlight items. Okay. So, ito na lang. Gagastos tayo ng pera. Yes, sir. Okay. Nice. Okay. Clean dirt. Bathroom. Where's the bathroom? Here? Baka pumasok dito eh. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, linis. Oh my goodness. Ang ginawa mo dito? Sumuka ka? Lasing ka? Okay. Uy, ganda no. Oh, pa. Akala mo abot mo yun. Okay. So, next is what? Bathroom mount suspended radiator. Okay. Ito. Suspended radiator. Okay. So, okay. Oh my god. Diyan mo lang yan. Ito. Let's buy. Fittings. So, ito yung pang maliit, no? Tama ba? Hindi. Hindi. Cancel. Okay, pwede na rin. Clean dirt. Bedroom. Okay, bedroom. Saan ang bedroom? Use hands to change doors. Hands. Okay. Probably ito tayo. Mas maganda na yan. Ay, pucha. Bakit? Ito. Ayaw mo to? A customer won't be happy. Why? Hindi na kami available ng kuhan dito. Oh, pucha. Why? Ano ba? Ayaw ko papasukin dyan? Ha? Hindi naman ito bedroom eh. Ito yung bedroom. Sorry. Mali. Clean dirt bedroom. Ano ang gusto mong linisin ko dito? Ha? Anong marumi pa ba dito? Ha? Clean dirt. Oh, that's it. Pag minsan di kasi NC, tingin ka din sa kisame. Okay? Bedroom. Clean dirt. Okay. So find grass and the holes in the walls. Once you are near them, use the plaster shortcut on the right side of the screen to buy a bucket of plaster. Okay. Plaster. Bucket of plaster. Ito na tayo itong top coat. This is probably nice. Okay. Wing. And put it there. Nice. Nicely done. Thank you very much. Okay. To paint the walls, you will need of course paint. Use the paint shortcut on the right side of the screen to purchase the color you need of the task. Need for the task? Ano ba for of the task? Ano naman dyan? Take a Robert. Okay. Like, let's first Teka. Highlighted segment. Okay. So, mas gusto kong kulay dito is probably yellow. No, hindi. Okay, siguro ito tayo itong green. Mas bagay siguro yung green. Okay. So, green. Nice. 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 Okay, let's get it. Nice. 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 Okay, let's get again. Nice. Teka. Okay, nagloloko ang ating mouse. Okay, get again. Okay, may nakukulang pa pala doon. Kulang pa ba dyan? Okay, nice. Okay, nagkakaubusan na tayo. Okay. Ito pa, last one. Nice. Meron pa ba natira? Okay. Have to open. Oh, fuck. Fuck me. Fuck me. I'm so sorry, guys. We need yellow pala. Sorry. Once yellow. Sorry. Yun talaga. Sorry. Sorry. Oh my God. Sorry talaga. Sorry, kaya pala. Sorry guys, naputol tayo. Ayan na po. My goodness talaga naman. Pasensya nyo na po. At tao lang. Nagkakamali din tayo. Okay? Sorry guys, nagkakamali rin ang tao. Ganun talaga. Hindi ko alam na ganun pala yun. Okay. Kaya may cut screen tayo, no? So, dahil nag-out of space ako. Nice, malapit na. Konting tiis na lang guys. Oh my God. Sorry talaga, nagkamali ako. Hindi ko alam na once yellow kung pang nagiging masunod eh. Talaga na ng kulay, sorry. Thank you very much. You need the right materials to cover the floors and walls. Use the tile shortcut on the right side of the screen to select the type of tiles, wallpaper, or panels required to order. For your order. Okay guys. So, thank you for watching guys. So, please like, comment, share, and subscribe kung nagustuhan nyo to. Gagawa pa tayo ng part 2. So, hihintayin ko yan. So, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit nyo na rin notification bell. Thank you for watching.